Okay, so today, as you've seen, we are going to be creating the giant pumpkin cookies. So you could either create this look or try to create something that's your own. Okay, so you're going to decorate your own pumpkin cookie. These are the things that come with it. You have your orange icing, comes with green icing. Yeah. It does come with the candy corn, and these little corns are, I'm sorry, these little candies, I'm not sure what these are called. I did, however, add double bubble gumballs to this. It is machine size, but I thought I'd grab some orange ones and put them in here. Now, Genevieve decided that she wanted to grab some blue ones, and she wants to add those to her pumpkin, so that's what we're going to do. So we are not going to eat these pumpkins today. So she is going to add this little stencil hair and some foam eyes to her pumpkin. These have adhesive on the back. You could use the adhesive if you're not going to eat it. If you're not going to eat it and you're just going to play with it, feel free to use all the extra decorations. But if you're going to eat this, do not use these, okay? Now, I did go ahead and make my own icing. I made a black icing, and I went ahead and made some red icing, just using some powdered sugar, some water, and food coloring. You can create this. Make sure it's nice and thick when you put it inside this bag. I did use these are for cookie decorating, and you can go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and start decorating our cookie. Okay, everybody, so here you are. I made my pumpkin cookie. She made her pumpkin cookie. I decided to go with a pumpkin vampire today. I was able to almost use all my orange icing. I still think I had quite a bit of green icing left over. I did enjoy using the black icing with just powdered sugar, water, food coloring. It was a little thick. I think that if you warm it up a little bit, just a touch, it'll help your icing go on a lot easier. I'm not a cookie decorator. I just wanted to do this with my daughter and have fun doing it. Did you have fun making yours? Mm-hmm. Okay, and what did you create today? A silly one? Okay, I absolutely love it. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So I want to play another one, but I don't know how to ice. We'll try again another day, okay? And we'll have fun doing another one. All right, that's it for today, guys. Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.